Big Poppa here. Again, you knew that. Look, I got a special helper today. I got my grandson, Logan Ball. What we're gonna do is we're gonna do a turkey breast. This is a boneless diesel organic turkey breast. It's about, what would you guess, about 4 pounds?
Probably like 3.5.
3.5, okay, great. Do you like turkey, Logie? Now we're gonna take some olive oil around this netted breast. It's a lemon olive oil. The reason I'm doing that, gets some flavor on it, but also to act like a glue or a binder for a rub we're gonna use, which is Big Poppa's Desert Gold. And Desert Gold's got sesame, it's got lemon, it's got garlic. I'll move the thing, you sprinkle it on.
Okay.
Oh, you're a natural, buddy. We'll see you in a little bit, Logan. I really love everything on a rotisserie, but especially poultry. Right there is good. It's in there. There we go. We're outside. I love it outside. Got this Weber rotisserie deal going. Got the coals. It's about 310 degrees, which I'm gonna like anywhere between 275 and 300. First time using it. You guys are the guinea pigs. Then we're gonna let it spin around. Beautiful. Okay, it's been going an hour. Let's see what we got here. Oh, it's starting to get some beautiful color. We're gonna go to 159. Probably about a half hour away. So we're gonna start basting it. This baste has lemon, soy, ginger, honey, and garlic. See you in a half hour. Okay, it's about an hour and 40 minutes. Got a little caramelization going, which I don't mind. We're gonna hit this one more time with the glaze. Then we're gonna pull it and rest it. So I'm happy. Oh yes. Let's just call it a beauty, okay? All right, this is the focaccia. We're gonna make a turkey sandwich, but not your typical turkey sandwich. You saw I cooked the turkey outside on the Weber rotisserie, and now here we go.
Drizzle some more oil on the top.
I'm kind of excited about this.
A little Italian seasoning.
All right, now give me some in my hand. Little trick with dried herbs. That's good. Grind them open. Open them up a little bit. A little salt. Not just any salt, some really good sea salt.
All right, and into the oven.
For how long?
500 for 25 to 30 minutes.
Okay, perfect. Scotty, the focaccia's rested. We're gonna go to work on our turkey sandwich. We're gonna slice it up and do some magic with Scotty's focaccia. Okay. Woo-hoo! Break them up. This is gonna be good. Now this is gonna be fun. Oh yeah. Here's the base. Let's talk about aioli. It's mayonnaise, but if I call it aioli, you guys will think I'm more sophisticated. Arugula. Arugula is not something I didn't eat growing up. Nice some sliced tomatoes in there. Freshly rotisserie turkey down. We're looking good here. Mayonnaise. Mozzarella. And more avocado. What about that mango vinaigrette? This This is called a drizzle in the ball family. It's a splash of sodium and pepper, little Louis. Doctor said I can only make one sandwich. Now, let's see who can get their mouth around this bad boy. I need a second opinion.
All right, twist my arm.
And that was all she wrote. Thank you, everybody.
Beautiful.